कला और संस्कृति के माध्यम से कई देशों के बीच आपसी रिश्ते को मजबूत बनाने के लिए उत्तर भारत की फिल्म सिटी के नाम से मशहूर नोएडा स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में 3 दिवसीय चल रहे 2 से 4 मई तक 8वां ग्लोबल फैशन एंड डिज़ाइन वीक के दूसरे दिन के पहले सत्र का भव्य आयोजन। इस दौरान कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI, मतेजा वोदेब घोष, एम्बेसडर ऑफ स्लोवेनिया, जेवियर पॉलिनिच, एम्बेसडर ऑफ पेरू, गेब्रियल पी सिनेबो, हाई कमिश्नर ऑफ नामीबिया, अनहद भुल्लर मल्होत्रा ने अपनी उपस्थिति से कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। अलग देशों की संस्कृति से प्रभावित परिधानों को खूबसूरत तरीके से पेश किया गया, जिसमें इंडो अर्मेनिया, ग्रीस, बेलारूस, पेरू, स्लोवेनिया आदि देशों की खूबसूरती को फैशन शो में दिखाया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, प्रेसिडेंट ICMEI ने सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा किया और कहा, फैशन केवल परिधान तक ही सीमित नहीं, वह रहन सहन, चाल ढाल, बोलचाल, लोक व्यवहार, मेकअप, फिनिशिंग आदि रूपों में फैला हुआ है। वहां मौजूदा अतिथिगण ने स्टूडेंट्स और डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा किए गए कामों की खूब प्रशंसा की।
I'm very delighted to be here again with this 8th Fashion and Design here in Noida. I think the friendship between India and Peru is increasing, and our designs inspired some of the fashion here today.
Gabriel Sinimbo is the name. High Commissioner of Namibia. I am participating here for the first time. Really quite excited to be here. We have seen great things in terms of fashion and design. Moving forward, our interest is to look at how we can collaborate in terms of getting some Namibian students to come and gain some skills and knowledge here, and also collaborate on many other aspects.
Hi, my name is Mateja Vodipoš and I am Ambassador of Slovenia to India. It was a very, very pleasant surprise, and I think the students showed a lot of imagination how to connect our culture and the characteristic of country with the fashion, with furniture. So it was a big joy for me today. Well, it's the same question as asking which child of yours you love the most. So I liked all three sections.
What a pleasure to be here once again. Second day of 8th Global Fashion Week. Lot of excitement, a lot of new things which are happening today here. Again, we have just finished with the first round of fashion show, which has covered around 9 countries. And I'm happy that the Ambassador of Peru, Ambassador of Slovenia, and High Commissioner of Namibia, they were here to witness this great creative show. We have also tried to express ourselves through furniture, through food, which they have loved it. The best part is that in this particular session, we've been able to create Indo-Namibia Film and Culture Forum. High Commissioner has just released the first poster of this forum, and in the same in continuity of that, we have also honored His Excellency, the High Commissioner of Namibia, with the patronship of Indo-Namibia Film and Culture Forum. And I'm very happy that today we are almost now covering 75 forums today, which I will be heading to develop and promote relation between India and all these countries. Thank you.